Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can set up our conversion tracking, event tracking on the Snapchat ads platform. So once we're on the platform, we can go to manage ads. And here you can see under assets, there is events manager. So this is where we are going to create a conversion action or event conversion tracking, which we can do from here. So for this, we can create a new event source, and this is going to be web specifically, which we are doing, and we can give it a name, the pixel name, which we can give. As you can see, so now there are multiple options which gets created over here. Setup Snap Pixel, Conversion API, upload CSV file. So what we're looking at is Snap Pixel, which we want to do. Now for this, there are three different ways given. One is partner integration, where you can connect your Snapchat account with other platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and then you can follow their steps. Okay, Pixel Setup Tool, it's a setup events directly on the website by selecting key pages or manual setup. So let's look at manual setup. So here you can select the business category. Okay, so let's say the category is professional services, and based on which certain goals will be selected over here. You want to select those ones or you want to have a particular ones, you can choose that as well in this manner. Let's say we're looking at purchases. And then the event and customer parameters also you can select which you want to be added in the code. You can copy the code, download the code as well. And now you can see this is the base code. So the first code which you're seeing here, this is something which is going to go on every single page. This has to be added to the header section of the website so that it's implemented on every single page section of the website. Second is add base code to the paste the code to the bottom of the header section. So this will go at the bottom of the header so that it's there on every single page. And then you can see this is the purchase code because we had chosen purchase. So this has to go on each page, correct areas, which is going to be your conversion page specifically, which is where it's going to track the sales. So these are the three codes which we will have to manage for setting up our conversion tracking or events manager. Once you do that, then your events manager is created. Okay, and then you can set up your conversions and you can track your conversions based on the campaigns which you run on Snapchat. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how conversion tracking works on the Snapchat ads platform.